I've got the juice, I've got the fire. I've got the juice, I've got the fire, I've got the burning desire. How are you, little angels? I hope you're well. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu, Learning Simplified. Let us just sum up this lesson. After this, you're going to the field. So it is how fast we do the lesson. That's when you get time to go to the field so that we can do the. As I move the rope like this, you say curved, curved, curved. In unison, let's go. Curved, 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 curved. Which line is formed when I do like this, the rope? Curved, 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 curved. If it will have been outside, we'll have been skipping and skipping and public fun, public fun. Number 28, I went for a walk, but now I stop on a break. Wow. Today we want to talk about straight lines and curved lines. There are those things that have straight line and curved line at the same time in them. Do you know that? Look at this chair. Look at this chair. When you look at this shape here, is it straight? No. What about the legs? Wow, they're straight. What about this one? Curved. So there are things that have curved lines and straight lines together. Look at our classroom table. Look at our classroom table. When you come like this, it is straight, but look at this edge. Are you seeing this edge? It is curved. Nice. Look at our number 8. Look at our number 8. Number 8 is formed using which type of lines? Curved. What about this one? The 0. Look at the 0. It's formed using which type of lines? The curved lines. What about number 1? Number 1 is straight. Wow. So look at the board. When we are doing the skipping over from the rope, when I skip over a rope, I will use the straight line. But when I'm skipping the rope in this manner, in this manner, in this manner, it forms the curved direction. So when I was in PP2, our teacher used to say, small circle, big circle. Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy. How are you? 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36. Then he says up and down. And I realized, wow, do you know this doll has straight line and curved lines? Let us identify how many curved lines are on this doll. We have, let us see the curved lines. Let me use another pen so that you can be able to see them. This is curved line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the curved lines are how many? 14. Let us see the straight line. The straight line is 1, 2. So the straight line are 2. Straight line 2. Very good. This is our teddy bear. Now let's see if we draw a cat. Have you ever drawn a cat? The simplest cat you drew in the kindergarten, where you drew the head. How was the ears? The ears look like this shape. Then you put there how do we call these ones? These ones are the whiskers. Then it has the eyes. Then it has the nose. Then we have the bigger part of the body. Then we have the paws. Then we have the tail. Someone help me to identify how many have straight lines and how many curved lines do we have. Let's make this head nice. It looks like it's not nice. Let's make this head straight. Now, let's start. How many curved lines do we have? 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4. The bigger part, no, we have counted already here. So we have 5. Then the pose forms the 6, and 7. What about the tail? 8. So let's see, curved here are 8. Now, let's come to the straight lines. How many straights do we have? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have straight are 5. Which other thing do you want us to draw? I want to give you an assignment. An assignment comes here like this. Now, I want you to identify how many straight lines are on this heart and how many curved lines are on this heart. So, identify the curved lines on the heart and the straight lines on the heart. And then the question 2, it is in numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Identify those ones that have curved lines and those that have straight lines. So when you visit your home, there are those study rooms that look curved in the manner, there are those televisions that are in curved form, and there are those that have straight lines. So you'll tell me, is your television in curved form or does it have straight lines? So this is the far we have gone, and this is the types of lines that we have learned. We have said in math, how many lines do we have? We only have the straight lines and the curved lines. Did I say we have horizontal? Did I talk about vertical? Have you seen me talking about vertical? Our corner, our library corner had only the straight lines and the curved lines. We only talked about lines and they were only straight and curved. Any question up to there? Any problem? Now, thank you very much and I wish you all the best as you meet questions about lines.